just gonna be playing MM2 with my bestie.
Yeah.
Wait, where are you?
Where are you?
I'm right here, Twinnie.
Hi, Twinnie.
My dookie.
My dookie cookie. Thanks. I was gonna say
Okay, we're not gonna tell each other rules because we're not gonna team, you know?
no teaming.
No teaming, twin, no teaming.
Discord because we're baddies. They're inside the painting. Okay.
Let me check. Nope.
Yay.
You know what? Who's rude?
Oh, you died!
I know, 'cause me and you. No! I understand you, girl. These coins are goated.
I'm not to say low-key. Yeah!
Yes! You're just literally just vibing with this random girl.
I know, right? Oh,
Oh gosh, okay, we're gonna die. He's gonna make it up here. Oh, never mind. You're gonna be my meat shield, okay?
What do you mean, meat shield?
You're gonna be my shield, okay? So the murder's gonna kill you, and then I'm gonna survive. Oh!
I'm not your shield anymore.
You're my shield! Damn! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me!
Wait. I promise I won't kill you.
No, get away from me. Get away from me. I don't like you.
I want to show you some things.
Oh, come outside. Let's do it. Oh! Someone died outside. Never mind.
Yeah, exactly. Come here.
Let's go.
Let me show you.
We're going inside.
Hey, come here. Ready? Wait. You want to see something?
Oh, imagine the murder just comes. I know who murders.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm walking. I'm kidding.
Oh, I see. Oh! Save me. You're the sheriff.
Who is it?
What's the beachy knife? It's the girl with the... I didn't cuss. Inside. She's inside.
She dead on the floor?
No.
Oh my!
Shoot! Girl, what are you doing?
No, I died!
Of course you did.
Look at us, okay? I'm gonna tell everyone something very special, very important, okay? Make like and subscribe.
I'm half there, guys. I'm half there.
We got our roles, and now we're not gonna tell each other at all, and we're not gonna edit out anything.
Yes, twin. We're not gonna...
So why are you following me? Oh, it's not you. I don't know who it is.
Oh, damn.
Okay. Okay, Matt, come here!
Move, baby. Oh, I think I need to Oh, dang it. Come here. Okay, good boy. You guys following me? Don't worry, I'm nice. I can finally buy it. Please, something good. Please. Oh, it's common, but it's like a cute one.
Oh, wait, the cherries is cute. I don't know how cute.
No, it's adorable.
Oh, I wish.
Guess what I got?
What did you get?
I got my favorite animal.
Oh my god.
I got the ducky.
I do not know that.
I'm sorry to. Oh, the snap! I'm in the pool, and the pool is so flippin' pretty. What the hell?
So pretty. I forgot that I was sheriff.
Twin, are you?
I have problems.
I can tell. Yes, twin. They see me! I suck at this one.
Look at society.
Sorry, twin. Sorry, twin. I just had to. Iconic by mistake. You know, I legit just need to put iconic by mistake in the background just because we're just singing it so much.
Yeah.
Cue the music.
Wow.
Yeah. Not us to sing wow and yeah when we don't even have the music on.
Aren't you gonna get copyrighted?
Oh, frick, you're right. My goal is 100 subscribers and I'm halfway there.
Darn. Make 200 YouTube accounts, I will.
Golino, don't. You know, I'm just gonna chase the whole map. Chase you around the whole entire ground.
Wait. This is what happens when you chase me.
Haha.
You have to show me.
Come here. I need to show you something. Let me show you. Look. Look. Hey, do you like it?